our channel. So today we'll be doing something different. Today we are going to be learning Igbo language, and I have here with me my friend.
My name is Eze.
Yes, so like you all know, I stay in Enugu State and I've been here for a while, and I even do business here. But funny enough, I don't understand Igbo language. I don't know how to speak the language. So I've taken it upon myself in 2022 to learn how to speak Igbo, and that's why I got my friend here to teach me. So I decided to take you guys along with me on this journey. So if you are watching this video, you don't know how to speak Igbo language, today we are going to be going through, I think, some of the basic phrases, yes, that you use in Igbo language. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you understand Igbo, please watch this video so you tell me how I'm doing, because see, I really want to understand Igbo language. I really want to understand, like, anywhere I go to, the first language that everybody speaks in Enugu is Igbo, and everybody just assumes that you know how to speak the language. You understand? So even if I'm at the pharmacy, sometimes they will be like, I want to speak Igbo. I'm like, ma, please, I don't understand Igbo. And they'll be like, why are you doing business in Enugu if you don't understand? So I really want to learn. So guys, if you are new on our channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn the notification bell, so when we upload our videos, you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So guys, let's get straight into today.
So we are going to be learning like some basic common phrases in Igbo language, like all those like common things I hear people say like every day.
Alright.
So we are starting with good morning. So like this morning. So like wake up in the morning like Ututu Oma.
Ututu Oma.
Ututu Oma. Yeah, like Ututu Oma Somto, Ututu Oma Morning, like that kind of.
Okay, thing. I can use it for both my age range, and I can use it for elderly people.
Yeah, I think most time different in like all these greetings is like your tone. Like maybe if you're talking to your age mate, you won't be the same tone you use for
you sound more respectful.
Yeah, you sound more respectful, exactly. So,
okay, where are you from? Let my viewers know.
Okay, sure. I'm from Nsude in Udi local government area. You guys know Udi now, the popular Udi. So
popular for palm wine.
Yeah, it's popular for palm wine, abacha.
Yeah. Okay, so you are from Udi.
Yeah.
Okay, Enugu, Igbo, Anambra, they are all the same thing.
Yeah, they're all the same. Just that like there'll be slight difference in their language.
But if I understand
the basic ones, you can
be able to
get,
communicate. Yeah. Alright, so good morning, Ututu Oma. So if I see in the morning, I can be like Ututu Oma Soto. Alright guys, I think I've let down.
So like, okay, now maybe you come into an environment now and you want to be like maybe come into the pharmacy store or come into a gathering where people are, and you want to say I want to greet everybody without like trying to be like I'm greeting one person. Not like
okay, maybe
hello, like maybe it's like yeah, be like hello everyone. Just be like ndewo.
Okay. So if okay, probably I go to like a gathering where there's so many people. I'll just be like ndewo.
No, yeah, that's like ndewo no.
Okay, ndewo.
Okay, ndewo is just like ndewo is just one person.
Okay.
Because ndewo no, because it's like I know like is greeting like. You know how greeting used to be like, excited.
Yes.
So like they won't know, like
okay. So that means if I see probably my viewers somewhere, I can just be like, they won't know. So viewers, where you are, they won't. So I know Ututu Oma, good morning. I know they won't know. Okay.
Yeah, she's trying. How are you? Okay. You know how are you now? Normal if somebody during the day like how are you? So if I say like during the day, I'll be like Kedu Kimere.
Okay. Kedu Kimere.
Kedu ka imere.
Okay, Kedu ka imere. So Kedu Kimere.
Kedu ka imere.
Kedu ka imere. Okay, so say it together the way you said it that time.
Okay. Kedu ka imere.
Okay. So if I see now, I'm like, okay, Ututu Oma, I'm not like Kedu ka imere.
Exactly.
Is it not sounding too serious?
It's not sounding too serious.
Okay,
yeah.
Kedu ka imere.
And
how are you?
I want to
reply.
I'm like Adimoma.
Okay, I think you can say Odima too.
Odima is mostly like I'm good.
Okay.
Just say Adimoma.
Okay, that's like
I'm fine.
Adimoma. Okay, so Kedu ka imere.
Adimoma. The next one we have here is like my name is. Okay, maybe want to introduce yourself. Like when I say my name is so. Like I can be like Ahamobo as a Subdochko. So I feel like what's your name? My
Ahamumbo. Ahamumbo. Okay. So Ahamumbo. How that's my name.
My name is
Ahamumbo. Okay.
Give what? Tell your viewers.
Okay. Ahamumbo Mary.
Maybe when like after an activity, like you did really well, maybe you're taught to sweep an environment, or you're giving
an
a dance,
assignment,
yes,
okay.
and you did like very well. People like well done. That was like they say in English now. They'll be like well done. So if it's in Igbo, they'll tell you dalu, like dalu, like imelo, madalu.
Okay, dalu. Okay, so probably somebody does something well for me, and I just want to like appreciate the person, be like dalu.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I have a subscriber that is always saying something like Dalurine.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does that mean?
Dalurine, like well done, very well, like you're really doing well.
Okay, thank you.
When I said that stuff, thank you.
Dalurine. Rune.
Like,
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay, yes, this one is very important. This one is very important.
I really like food. So okay. Like when like I'm hungry, be like ago na gum.
Okay, I think that one is easy now.
Yeah.
Ago na gum.
Maybe
I'm hungry.
if it's oba or fio that you want to be like, hey, fio na gum.
Okay, ago na gum, I'm hungry. Then if I now say fio na gum,
that's
like
fio
is hungry.
There's
okay,
that one that you want.
Okay, so I can say okpa na gum.
Yes, or fio. Our next is good night.
Okay, I think I know that one. Kachifo.
Yes.
Yes, I know that one. Kachifo. Yes. Is it okay? So if you say kachifo, I'll be like kobo. Oh, I didn't even know there was a reply. Okay. So kachifo kobo. Okay. Kachifo kobo.
So maybe now somebody comes into the pharmacy store and be like, person wants to buy malaria drug or something. Person be like, biko yemu obu malaria. Because like, give me something, please give me this.
So that's give me anti-malaria. Okay.
Biko yemu malaria drug.
So biko yem paracetamol. Biko yem fio. Can I put food too?
Yeah, you can put food.
I can put anything. So if you are with my phone, I want to collect my phone from you.
Like biko yemu my phone.
Okay.
Phone is egwenti. Like egwenti.
Okay, phone is egwenti.
Yes.
Egwenti.
This one is how much?
How much? No, that one is very popular.
Yeah.
Egole. But what's ego kile?
Ego ne kile.
Okay, that's how much I use.
Asking you a question. Ego ne kile. It's the same like the same thing, but just like
a longer
part.
Okay, so I can just say if I want to buy something now, and I'm like, okay, if I want to buy something, I want to know the price. I'll be like, egole. Okay, so
our next one is bye. So maybe if you're after like a day's activity, and if I like parting ways, maybe to see another time.
Or maybe when you are going home now.
Yeah, maybe when I'm going home now, yeah. She's not be like Cody.
Okay, Cody.
Yeah.
So if I'm ending my video with my viewers, can I be like Cody?
Cody was also. No, you don't want to stress it, it's just like Cody. Best okay. It's bye. But it's not like
and
like it's more energy. They say like Cody was also.
Okay, Cody, if you watch this video till this point, thank you so much. But please, before we go, if I want to start the video again, like welcome to my channel, how do I say that in Igbo?
How you say like maybe let's say good morning, like
you're welcome to my
channel. What I'm going to say is Ndewo Ndioma Negenti.
Okay. And Ndewo is like hello now.
Hello, yes. Ndewo Ndioma Negenti.
What does that mean? Interpret it.
Okay, like good morning or good afternoon or good evening, my audience.
Okay, so Ndewo
Ndioma Negenti.
Ndewo Ndioma Negenti. Ndewo Ndioma Negenti.
Ana m asụ n'ụlọ na vidiyo.
Okay. Ana m asụ n'ụlọ na video. Okay, not like video. Video.
Like
okay. Ndewo Ndioma Negenti. Anomasunu.
Anamasunu.
Guys, it's like I will take this one home as assignment. So when I'm coming for episode 2 of my Igbo lessons, I think I would have rehearsed that one enough to start.
Yes.
But I think it's something like Ndewo no manegenti. Anamasunu video. So guys,
the next channel, the next part of this, she's going to be very perfect.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me on my journey. And please drop lots of comments. I need encouragement at this point. You understand? So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe. We share lots of informative and educative content here. And then if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You guys, tell my I'll be my guest. So thank you so much. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for being with us on this, for watching this video
to the very end.
We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.